The Code of Criminal Procedure determines how someone is investigated, prosecuted, tried, and punished. The current code was introduced in 1926, and since then has been frequently adapted and modified. Rapid changes have occurred in the last few decades. Society is constantly growing and becoming ever more complex. Technological advances create a digital domain with opportunities for new kinds of crime. Does the criminal code reflect these changes? Does it help us combat crime effectively and accountably? How can we improve the performance of the criminal justice system? We must eliminate lengthy procedures, red tape, and poor provision of information. We need to prevent criminals serving their sentence too late, or not at all. A number of procedures in the code are out of date. The structure of the law is complex, and the sections of law have confusing numbering. New and old regulations are no longer consistent. The quality of the administration of justice must be improved. Now is the time for a major reorganization. The Code of Criminal Procedure is being modernized. The legislative program will be ready in late 2018, and the new criminal code will be introduced in the years that follow. The new code will be easier to use, improve the quality of justice, and enhance the performance of the criminal justice system. It won't be technology dependent, which means that as new technologies evolve, it won't need to be adapted. The code will be better structured and more accessible to legal professionals, and lay people too. This will end unnecessary regulations, and sections of law will be numbered more simply. The new code will have fewer sections of law on special investigative powers. Unnecessary procedures surrounding the execution of the judgment will be ended. The code will be more in line with the digital age. Criminal files will be digital, and signing, issuing, and sharing files will take place electronically. The administrative burden will be significantly reduced. The modernized code will clearly state the rights of the suspect and the tasks and powers of investigative officers, the public prosecutor, and the courts. Stricter rules for investigating seized electronic data carriers will be introduced and guarantee the privacy of citizens. The code enables the judge to hand out the correct sentence. It gives the criminal justice system room to function more effectively. Justice can respond speedier and more appropriately, which reduces the undesirable outflow of criminal cases. More emphasis on preliminary investigation means that files will be more complete prior to the hearing. Because lawyers receive the files on time, they can submit witness requests and interview expert witnesses at an earlier stage. Clearer and better coordinated procedures will be introduced. The examining magistrate will supervise investigative requirements more closely before a case is heard. Lawyers can also be present at their client's hearing. These improvements aim to encourage not only more, but also better collaboration. But modernizing the code isn't enough. Practical improvements are also needed. Police, the Public Prosecutor's Office, judges and other parties are currently working hard to improve the criminal justice system to achieve this. The new Code of Criminal Procedure will be more in line with the social and technological developments of the 21st century to support a modern criminal justice system.